Welcome. In front of me is a Samsung Galaxy S23 Ultra, and today I will show you how we can insert SIM card into this phone. Now to get started, you'll need to grab a SIM eject tool, which should come provided with the device in the box. It's somewhere where you have your charging cable. Now I'll be using this, and additionally, if you can't find it, you could also use just a paper clip. Straighten out one of the ends and it should work just as well. So once you have either one, you want to pop out the tray, which is located at the bottom of the phone, as you can see right here. You have this little cutout, and next to it you have a hole. You want to use the tool in the hole that is part of the cutout. So this one. The other one is a microphone. So once you push it in, the tray should pop out, as you can see. And from there, using your fingernail, just pull it out fully. On the tray you have space for SIM card on one and the other side. You can occupy both of them or just one, and it doesn't really matter which one you will choose. Just there's one little caveat. The top one, just this one, does not hold the card in place just because, well, it's on the top, while the bottom one has a little locking mechanism so the card will not fall out. From there, insert it back into your phone, and the card should start working right away. Check SIM tray, okay. And it's already working. As you can see, there's my reception. So there we go. Now, if you found this very helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.